Pulao and Yakhni Soup, the ultimate comfort food combo revealed. What if you could sip your way into a bowl of warmth while your spoon dives into fluffy, fragrant rice? That's the comforting magic of pairing Pulao with Yakhni Soup, a timeless duo that has stood the test of time across South Asian kitchens. It's not just food, it's therapy in every bite and sip. Let's break it down. Pulao is rice done with elegance. Unlike its spicier cousin biryani, Pulao lets the ingredients speak subtly. Long-grain basmati rice simmered with stock, infused with whole spices, and often dotted with tender meat or vegetables. The result is gently aromatic, never overpowering, and incredibly satisfying. Now enter Yakhni, a soul-soothing broth made by slow-cooking meat bones, usually chicken or mutton, with onions, garlic, black pepper, cloves, bay leaves, and a touch of ginger. It's light, restorative, and packed with deep flavor. Yakhni is a staple in many traditional healing remedies, but when paired with Pulao, it turns a humble meal into a soulful experience. Together, Pulao and Yakhni Soup deliver more than just flavor. They're a celebration of balance. Texture meets broth, spice meets subtlety, and warmth meets nourishment. The broth elevates each spoonful of rice, keeping the palate refreshed while the rice fills you up with familiar comfort. This combination isn't new. Across Pakistan, India, and Afghanistan, generations have grown up with this meal during winters, post-illness recovery, or when guests arrive. It's festive without being fancy and rich without being heavy. The beauty of this combo is in the simplicity. You don't need fancy ingredients or professional skills. A few bones, a handful of spices, good quality rice, and time, that's all it takes to make magic. And yes, don't skip the slow simmer, that's where the flavor blooms. To make it your own, you can explore variations, add fried onions for crunch, a squeeze of lemon for brightness, or even toss in carrots and peas to the pulao. The soup can be served clear or slightly thickened, some even blend it for a creamy finish. Looking for comfort food that warms the body and delights the senses without putting you in a food coma? This pairing is your answer. Whether you're curled up on a rainy evening or feeding a crowd, Pulao with Yakhni Soup is the culinary hug we all need. So, have you ever tried this duo before, or have your own twist to share?